Alright, here we go. We're gonna go up the second flight.
Yeah. Look at him go.
I know. Go ahead, keep going.
going.
Don't turn
Keep
around.
going.
Keep going.
Come on up here. Yeah, keep going. Keep going.
You want some motivation?
Yeah, where are the candles?
There you go.
Yeah, let's put the candles.
Motivation.
Up there.
I like the grunting.
There it is. Fancy leg work and everything. Come on. Cool candles are just a couple steps away. Look at them. Right there. You can do it.
I'd rather not.
No. You done?
Are you all done climbing?
I guess so.
Good job, buddy.
I know, it was a good job.
Yay! What a big boy you are.
I'm Evan on the stairs. That's me.
He looks rather
Evan on
grumpy
the
right now.
Well, you guys kept taking my thing away.
That's true.